Hey everybody, it's Rob Lowe here.
Rob Lowe, the 59-year-old actor, seems to have discovered the secret to eternal youth. Despite nearing 60, he maintains a physique and appearance that often leads to him being mistaken for his son's. But what's his secret to maintaining such youthfulness at almost 60? The secret lies in simple adjustments he attributes to his ageless good looks and vibrant health. Although Rob Lowe's ageless appearance makes many people jealous, it's not solely a result of genetics. Close examination of photographs from Lowe's mid-20s to 30s reveals a remarkable consistency in his physique and facial features. He is 59 years old but still looks young, with a trim figure and a youthful attitude that defies conventional aging norms. People who are amazed by Lowe's age-defying presence agree with him when he shares that he feels better than ever in an exclusive interview with an Australian newspaper. Rob Lowe's fountain of youth isn't covered in mystery. It's grounded in practicality. He reveals the formula for retaining youthful vitality by following 6 fundamental principles. While seemingly simple, these principles form the backbone of Lowe's holistic approach to health and well-being. Rob Lowe's approach to exercise reflects a nuanced understanding of the body's needs as it ages. In his late 50s, he acknowledged the importance of adapting his workout routine to prioritize injury prevention and longevity. Unlike the intensity of his younger years, Lowe now advocates for a more strategic approach to training. For Lowe, exercise isn't solely about pushing physical limits. It's about finding a balance between challenging the body and allowing it to recover. He emphasizes core movements, compound exercises, and cardio bursts, recognizing their efficacy in maintaining strength, flexibility, and cardiovascular health. By integrating elements of interval training and focusing on multi-movement exercises, Lowe maximizes the efficiency of his workouts while minimizing the risk of excessive exercise. This thoughtful approach preserves his physical well-being and enhances his overall quality of life. Lowe's love for nature shines through as he incorporates activities like hiking and swimming into his fitness regimen. These outdoor activities support his holistic approach to health and wellness, enhancing his physical health and feeding his soul. As Rob Lowe navigates his late 50s, he remains dedicated to staying active with a renewed emphasis on sustainability and longevity. His story reminds us that physical activity is a lifetime pursuit of vitality and well-being. The 33-year-old sobriety celebration of Rob Lowe shows the transformative power of resilience and human development. Beyond just abstaining from alcohol, sobriety involves a significant lifestyle and mental adjustment that has helped Lowe rediscover his true self. Lowe began a path of self-discovery and healing on May 10, 1990, when he committed to sobriety. With the help of a committed group of people and unyielding resolve, he overcame his problems and embraced a life full of love, gratitude, and purpose. Sobriety has been a cornerstone of Lowe's holistic approach to health and wellness, providing a solid foundation upon which he has built his age-defying lifestyle. Freed from the shackles of addiction, he has been able to fully embrace the joys of family, work, and personal growth. For people who are battling addiction, Lowe's story offers hope because it shows that recovery is not only possible but can also lead to a life beyond one's wildest dreams. His commitment to sobriety is a testament to the power of resilience, perseverance, and the human spirit. Rob Lowe represents a reasonable and well-rounded perspective on indulgence in his attitude toward sugar consumption. Instead of enforcing strict restrictions, Lowe acknowledged occasional cravings for sweet treats like ice cream and milkshakes. He emphasizes the value of self-awareness and moderation when making food choices. By embracing a realistic perspective, Lowe encourages others to see sugar consumption as a component of a balanced lifestyle. He knows that long-term sustainability and practicality are unattainable when aiming for perfection. Instead, he advocates for a reasonable strategy that prioritizes overall dietary balance while allowing occasional indulgences. Rob Lowe draws parallels to a batting average in baseball to emphasize the importance of consistency over perfection. Just as no baseball player bats 1,000, no individual always maintains flawless dietary habits. By accepting this fact, Lowe promotes a more positive and guilt-free relationship with food. Lowe's philosophy on sugar intake reflects a broader mindset of self-compassion and flexibility in the pursuit of wellness. He sees treats as enjoyable aspects of life to be enjoyed in moderation rather than as forbidden pleasures. This holistic approach improves mental health, helps physical health, and allows people to savor simple pleasures. Lowe is a supportive and inspirational figure for those looking to adopt better habits without giving up the pleasures of indulgence, as long as he continues to live according to his ideals of balanced living. Rob Lowe recognizes the transformative impact of quality sleep on overall health and well-being. He considers restful sleep essential to his daily routine and a top priority in pursuing youthful energy. Emphasizing the importance of quantity and quality, Lowe aims for a minimum of 8 to 9 hours of sleep each night. He recognizes that everyone's sleep needs vary and puts his sweet spot at 9 hours. Lowe maintains optimal physical and cognitive efficiency throughout the day by respecting his body's natural rhythms. Contrary to the outdated notion of sleep when you're dead, Lowe advocates the modern view of sleep as essential for brain function, focus, and overall vitality. By underscoring its significant impact on cognitive function and emotional well-being, he dispels the misconception that sleep is only a cosmetic matter. The fifth of Rob Lowe's age-defying principles is his surprising support of energizing benefits of walking. For Lowe, walking has become a meditation that offers mental clarity, surprising discoveries, and benefits to physical fitness. This appreciation for walking signifies a shift in perspective, emphasizing the holistic nature of wellness. It's not just about working out hard, it's about finding quiet times and mental refreshments in the middle of daily life. As Lowe incorporates regular walks into his routines, he discovers mental benefits that transcend the physical. The meditative quality of walking allows for introspection, creative thinking, and a connection with nature. It's a practice that goes beyond calorie burn, contributing to Lowe's overall well-being and reinforcing that a healthy lifestyle encompasses various facets of mind, body, and soul. Lowe's journey with walking serves as a reminder that wellness is a multifaceted concept. Embracing activities like walking, often dismissed as less intensive exercise, can have unexpected and profound mental and emotional health benefits. This highlights that ageless living entails caring for one's body and mind, and it's a lesson in finding happiness and clarity in the simplicity of a walk. The sixth and last principle of Rob Lowe's age-defying lifestyle provides advice on keeping an age-appropriate diet balance, especially regarding carbohydrate intake. When considering how dietary requirements naturally change with age, Lowe admits that he realized in his mid-30s that he could no longer eat in the same way he had in college. After realizing this, Lowe intentionally cut back on some of his carbs, saying goodbye to too much bread and spaghetti. However, his adjustment wasn't about strict diet, but a mindful embrace of a low-carb lifestyle. Prioritizing a sustainable and balanced approach to diet, he increased his attention on proteins and ensured his meals had the proper fats. Lowe's approach to carbohydrates is characterized by balance rather than deprivation. He acknowledges the importance of managing sugar intake as part of this carb-conscious lifestyle. Recognizing his sweet tooth, instead of complete denial, Lowe adopts a realistic mindset, emphasizing the value of occasional indulgences and avoiding extremes. This idea teaches us a helpful lesson about adjusting our dietary practices to meet our body's ever-changing needs. In this graceful exploration of aging, Lowe emphasizes the need to pay attention to one's body and implement changes that promote long-term energy and general well-being. It's a reminder that sustained ageless vigor, as demonstrated by Lowe, requires a deliberate and well-rounded approach to eating. Rob Lowe's journey to maintaining his age-defying physique and vitality offers a roadmap for individuals seeking to embrace aging with grace and vigor. Lowe demonstrates that age is no barrier to living a vibrant and fulfilling life through strategic exercise, sobriety, mindful sugar intake, quality sleep, regular walking, and balanced nutrition. he lives up to the age-old proverb that wellness is a journey, not a destination, by incorporating these holistic principles into his lifestyle. Lowe shows us that growing old is not a sign of decline, but rather a chance for development, insight, and self-discovery. People can ensure that their best years are ahead of them by adopting the principles of holistic well-being, which can help them live active, meaningful lives at any age. If you found Rob Lowe's secrets inspiring, remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Together, let's explore the path to a healthier, happier life. Stay tuned for more tips, insights, and stories. Until next time, live vibrantly and embrace the best version of yourself.